Assalamu alaikum all, how are you? Hope you're doing well and taking good care of yourself, your parents, your family, your hygiene and everything. I'm your teacher and I'm here to teach you social studies inshallah. But before the beginning of anything, we always start with the name of Allah, the most merciful. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Oh my Lord, relieve my mind and ease my task for me and loose a knot from my tongue that they may understand my saying. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh Lord, increase me in knowledge. So today the topic we are going to learn about is the earth. As you know, earth is the third planet from the sun. This is the only planet known to support life. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system as well. Our home planet Earth is a rocky planet. It has a solid and active surface with mountains, valleys, canyons, plains, and so much more. You know, Earth is special because it's an ocean planet. Because water covers 70% of the Earth's surface. Since we live here, so we might think that we know all about the Earth. Not at all actually. We have a lot we can learn about our home planet. You know, planet Venus and planet Mars are Earth's neighboring planets. So this is all about the Earth. Now we can talk about an axis. What is an axis? Axis is an imaginary line which an object rotates. The Earth revolves on its axis and takes a full day of 24 hours to rotate around it. The Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees. This imaginary line running through its center from the North Pole to the South Pole, this is called rotation. Now we can learn about the rotation and revolution. First, we can talk about rotation. Earth's rotation is called the rotation of the planet that moves around its own axis. The direction of the Earth's rotation is eastward. It completes its one rotation in 24 hours. The complete one rotation is 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. The Earth rotates from west to east with an average speed of 1660 km per hour. So because of this rotation, we have days and nights. The part of the Earth facing the sun experiences days and the part away from the sun experiences night as the Earth spins counterclockwise. In short, Earth's rotation causes days and nights, provides us the opponent movement of stars, gives the concept of time, provides the sense of direction. Earth's rotation tides are affected by rotation. Longitude have a close relationship with the relation with rotation. So this is all about rotation. Now we can talk about revolution. What is revolution? Earth revolves around the sun in a clockwise direction is called revolution. One complete revolution taking approximately a year or 365 days. The Earth revolves around the sun from east to west. The Earth orbit around the sun is shaped like slightly an oval shape. Because of the revolution or movement, we can see that changes the seasons. So of course, if the Earth doesn't revolve around the sun, we can never see any change in time, seasons, anything. The Earth experiences 4 seasons in a year. The seasons are caused as the Earth remains tilted on its axis and travels in its orbit around the sun. When the hemisphere tilted towards the sun experiences summer season, while it's tilted away from the sun experiences winter season. Now, in short, we can say the effects of revolution gives a sense of time, help to determine important latitudes, provide variation in the length of day, lead to a difference in a solar, lead to change of seasons. Okay, so this is the end of today's topic. What we can learn, what we learned, like rotation is responsible for the changes in days and nights, and revolution is fully responsible for the changes in seasons. So children, this is the end of our today's topic. I'll join you again with some other interesting topic inshallah very soon. So until then, you take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.